What's going on, YouTube guys, y'all? Hey, I'm back here with another video. So hey, today, y'all, as I seen as the title, yes, about to get that tent. No more fish bowling. Got a little tent on there, but it's not really much. But man, y'all, I'm so ready, man, to see what I'm all gonna do this thing. But yeah, so I'm about to get to head down to the tent shop. My boy, I mean, he's a beast with it, y'all. But I can't wait. About to head over there. So let's get to it. Let's get it. Let's go. So y'all, you see, man, we on the way. Y'all saw. Y'all see how the windows look right now. Look, I'm telling you, they got a little bit chin on them right now. It ain't nothing major though. Nothing major. Polish been hot today too. Polish been real hot. I ain't gonna lie. A lot of people be asking me, bro. They be like, "Yo, Trent, you gonna like start doing a lot of car meets?" I think, yeah, I'm gonna start going to some car meets. Hey, if y'all have any car meets, man, y'all know, hit my Instagram up at 04 Track. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I never really been to like a car meet like that. So I'm very excited about doing that this summer. Also, I'm so ready to take this top off one good time. But the weather just ain't been there yet, so hopefully the weather be good probably next week. And also, man, I want y'all to, you know what I'm saying, to put in the comments what type of videos I want to see. What type of videos I want to see me do with the vet. You know what I'm saying? I've been gone a while with these little vlogs, but man, I'm about to get back on. I'm gonna get back on them, man. Like I said, I've been busy, so I'm still is busy, but I'm start actually taking my camera out more. I've been recording on my phone here lately because you know, my camera messed up. So that's what I'm on. But as long as we get these videos out, these bangers out, man, we straight. We're gonna be straight, no cap. My boy got me right, man. Yes, sir. Look at that jump. Man, look, man, all y'all gotta do is pull up the precision tents, man. Mooresville, North Carolina. My boy gets you right. Hell, y'all, my car is dirty right now. Hey, I apologize. It's dirty right now, but yes, sir. And I'm about to show you how good this work is. So I'm about to show y'all right quick. So you know, most windows they come down to the little tip a little bit. Man, this man go all the way up to the top. Yes, sir. Look how dark. I love it like that. Love it like that. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, man. I love this mode, man. How that tent look in the daytime. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, it's dirty, y'all. I'm telling you. Look at that tent. Right in the daytime. No, I had to smack the shield. Back at the gas station again. So, back again. I'm telling you. Back at the gas station. I need to clean so bad. It's bothering me. And I wish the sun was out so these bubbles can go ahead and start. You know, these little, it's not bubbles, but y'all know what I'm saying. So they start going out. Yeah. Bro, look how, bro, gas is just crazy. $4, I'm telling y'all, almost $5, but I have to run 97 in here. So it ain't like it's, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't like that I can just run like the regular. Even the regular, what is it? 419 here. 419, bro, for regular. It's crazy. It's crazy out here, man. I ain't gonna lie, I'm already at $50. Already at $60 with just 12 gallons. It's crazy, bro. You can barely get 2 gallons out of 10. But all right, let's see what $69 is. Oh. Let's see what $69 did. It was on E now. I'm not gonna lie. It was all the way on E. All the way on E. Let's see what it did. Come on, baby. Okay. $69, huh? $69 to fill this mug all the way up. So we say about $70 to fill this car up. So now see how much it is to fill it up. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna do a video soon, y'all. I don't know. I'd be scared to mess with that traction control and all these other controls. I don't know about that. But yeah, we straight now though. We straight. Yeah, we straight now. Let's go. So, like I said, y'all, I need for y'all to comment some vids. What kind of vids y'all want to see with the car, with the vet? What kind of mods do y'all want to see? I mean, I don't know. I want to know. I don't know what y'all got in mind. What do y'all want to see, man?
Proceed to the route.
Oh, my bad. Okay, Siri, I'm on the way. But
turn right onto Fountain Place. Then turn right onto Town Square Circle.
Whoa, Siri, why do you sound like that? All right, y'all, I'm gonna focus on the road. Appreciate y'all watching. Quick little video. I'm gone.